Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Um, I just come today to talk to y'all a little bit more about the email and processing system that I have joined. I will leave the link in the description. So basically, only thing you're doing is posting pre-written ads um, to different social media sites. Once someone joins under you, you get paid. Simple, simple. It is so simple. Y'all, I do it from my smartphone every day. Every day. I'm doing this from my smartphone every single day. And I get paid every single day to my PayPal account. So let's say, so I joined, and there are three different levels. There's Pro, Advanced, and Basic. Basic is basically what it is, basic. Pro is what I join under. So if someone joins under me, I get paid for basic and advanced and pro. So I get paid for all three levels if someone joins anything under me. Um, there's more details about the pricing and the different prices for it. That's also going to be in the link in the bio. But let me tell you guys, it is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. Look, I work at home, my garage, outside freedom. This is me. I'm a real person. Um, so join today and have the financial stability to be able to do whatever you want, go wherever you want. Sorry, it's a little cold out here today. And I don't have any jacket on. It's crazy. But join today, and I'm telling you guys, it is amazing opportunity. Amazing, amazing opportunity, especially for the ones who are stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads, college grads. I mean, anyone basically can do this. It's simple. If you know how to copy and paste, you have a smartphone, tablet, PC, Mac, MacBook Pro, whatever the case is, anything with Wi-Fi internet capability, and you can set up a free PayPal account. So once you join, you will get all the information I provide you. We provide you with all the training materials that you need. I mean, everything you need, you're going to need to succeed. And then I'm always here for support. I always offer additional support because, not everybody can do the ABC step. But if you're needing additional support, I'm always here available to help you. So make sure you click the link in the bio to get started today. Life-changing moment. I'm telling you, I love it. Look, again, I'm working from home. I'm my own boss. I don't have to answer to nobody. I don't have to. I go to break when I want to. I wake up when I want to. I go to bed when I want to, and I make money throughout the day. So I'm telling you, it's a life-changing movement opportunity. We have a support team that you will immediately be added to. So join today, and join today. Join today. Join today. I really recommend the pro level because you get everything you're really gonna need, everything you get paid for, advanced and basic level. So join today. Join today. I highly recommend the pro level. Thank you guys. I see you at the top. Trust yourself, trust the process, and have a leap of faith. Take a leap of faith. Have a good day.